Redneck Yacht Club. How much water's in here?
We don't know.
I don't know.
Filled up at Home Depot. And they said, oh, sure, we need to fill up the hose of the truck. And so they said, okay, and they filled up the pool.
What is this? This is Rednecks?
Oh yeah, rednecks all around.
What are you guys doing over here?
We're drinking!
This is called stacked. So you stack
Or
trucks
rage cage.
or rage cage.
You gotta get the ball. You got it. You got it. God, I'm so glad my hand turned
Hey, look at that over there.
It's video.
Oh, it's video. We didn't know.
Hi, we're Rebel Mark out here at the campground. So is this the party out here first before you go party in there?
Yeah! We'll be here all night.
Pork chops, beer, and ladies. Right on.
Have on your party pennies?
If you don't have any, I have an extra set.
No, I don't got none.
I'll give you mine.
Show them that. She wants to give us hers.
No, I wanted to give you mine.
Oh, she wants to give me her panties, and this one ran off to the pork chops.
They want some leg.
No, my legs are fine. Come back if you want some more beer.
Here's some leg.
There you got it. Campground party right here. Hey, she just mooned you and you didn't even get it. Rebel Mark, peace.
Are we on TV?
Hey, wait a minute.
Oh,